In the heart of an old forest stood a crooked wooden house. Inside lived an owl, wise, quiet, and alone. Every evening, as raindrops tapped against the glass, he sat by the window, watching the world go quiet. The owl had watched many storms, but this night the wind howled a little louder. And just as he closed his eyes, tap, tap, a sound at the window. He opened the window gently. "Come in, little one," he whispered. The bird stepped in, shivering, but safe. He wrapped the bird in a soft cloth, poured warm tea into a tiny thimble, and for the first time in years, he had company. Outside, the storm raged on, but inside that little wooden house, two souls found warmth, and maybe a beginning.